Hey guys, Running Kimono here, and even before we dive into the deals over at Walgreens for the week of the 19th to the 25th, we're going to talk really quickly about the Fetch Rewards app. Of all of the apps to use for shopping, extreme couponing, this one in my book gets an A+. It gets the top grade. Even for items that you're buying for your household, like say groceries, stuff that never has coupons, like a bag of Caesar salad, you're still going to earn points towards gift cards. And I mean, it's just absolutely tremendous. So for new signups only, if you use my referral code, which is at the top of the screen, and you photograph your first receipt, it could be anything, a pack of gum that you bought last week at Walgreens, you're going to be given 2,000 points, which is $2. The kicker of why this is so great, at the $5 mark, guys, you can get a $5 Starbucks gift card. It is that easy. And I mean, if you're an extreme couponer, you're probably sitting on a bunch of receipts. Like about a week back or so, we had that beauty event over at Walgreens. I bought my Tresemme shampoo to be super fancy, and I got 160 points. Like, how awesome is that? So if you're interested, this is again for new signups only. You're given 2,000 points or $2 when you submit your first receipt. So if you are interested, please check out the link in the notes and don't forget to use my referral code. Let's not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. It tremendously helps out the channel. Thank you so much in advance, guys. So yesterday I made a quick video on the Walgreens app update. The majority of you are not happy with it, but like anything in life, I think the more that you navigate it, play around in it, you're probably going to get really familiar with it. And one thing I didn't address, sorry guys, I must have slipped my mind. If you go into the shop and save page of the app, a lot of you were like, where's next week's flyer? If you look to the left, it's this week, and then to the right, it's next week. And typically that always pops up every Wednesday. Sorry about that, guys. Sometimes I get carried away with my own jokes and whatever when I'm doing these VOs, but that's where you would find it. And it's pretty straightforward. I will link this video at the very end if you want to give it a watch, but just pretty straightforward and easy to follow the new app update. Okay, so yesterday, this showed up in your household folder of the Walgreens app, and there are these different $5 base coupons. There's also a $3 base, so there's 4 of them. Altogether, that's $18 of savings, and you got to do 4 separate transactions. You can't stack all 4 of these. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. It's always your mileage may vary, so what that means is not everybody gets the exact same coupons. So sorry in advance if you didn't get it. Please don't get angry with me in the comments. So these are valid from the 19th to the 25th. They are of a one-time use, and these are the order that they come off. The 5 off of 12, the 3 off of 15, the 5 off of 15, and the 5 off of 20. So the best use is to calibrate your baskets, like so do a $12 basket to begin with, and then do a smaller one for the 3 off of 15. Or if the 3 off of 15 is too small, don't even load it. And then the 2 5 off of 15 and the 5 off of 20. So just calibrate it that way. Yes, you can use register rewards, manufacturer coupons, and points to pay down your balance after those boosters come off. Again, you're going to have to do 4 separate transactions. These do not stack. Okay, so looking at the cover of the flyer from the 19th to the 25th, lots of reasonable deals. Stacking with the boosters, there's even better savings where a lot of this stuff will be like really good money makers. So depending what shows up on Sunday morning, I might make a subsequent video of other deals to go with those, or possibly I'll just, keep everything in this video because I have a couple matchups to go with those boosters. And then I also have other deals too for people that didn't get the boosters because I know a lot of you don't get the boosters. So let's look at what I have prepared. Okay, so the first dealio here is with the Tide $4.99. When you buy 3, you get back a $5 register reward. Remember last week I'm like, $2.99 is too much and I'm not rich. Guess what came back? This. So if you were really smart and loaded these 2 digitals from last Sunday, we have a $2 off of a liquid, a $2 off of a pod, plus one of these from the July P&G. Here's a quick deal for you. You're obviously going to have to get a mix. Get 2 bags of the pods, 1 liquid. At $4.99 a pop, that's $14.97. You're going to present one $2 coupon from the July P&G, plus you have your $2 for the pod and $2 for the liquid, the 2 digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $8.97 out of pocket. You're getting back a $5 register reward. $3.97 for the 3 or $1.32 per product. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance at $8.97, absolutely go for it, and that register reward will still print. And let's not forget to take a quick photo to P&G Good Every Day and get some points towards those gift cards with that site for the purchase of this Tide product. Okay, so let's toss this guy in, which is a 5 off of 12, into this basket. So we're grabbing 3 of the Tides for $14.97, subtracting one $2 for the Tide Pods from the July P&G, plus I have my $2 for the liquid and the pods like a digital, so that's subtracting 4, plus my booster, which is a 5 off of 12. I'm left with paying $3.97 out of pocket, getting back my $5 register reward, making my 3 Tide products completely for free, plus a $1.03 money maker. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance, go for it, and photograph your receipt for gift cards with P&G Good Every Day. Okay, so the Gillette razors, $7.99, and the 12 packs are included. As you can see, the last line of the matchup there on their flyer. So we have this wonderful $5 coupon from the July P&G. So looking at this, let's grab one of the 12 packs. It's got to be a 12 pack, so we got to root around the store and make sure that it's included. $7.99, subtracting that $5 coupon from the July P&G, you're left with paying $2.99 out of pocket, getting yourself a $3 register reward, making this completely for free. Now, with register rewards, it's 1 register reward per transaction. So if you wanted to do this deal, say, twice, you'd have to break it up in 2 separate transactions. If you wish to use points to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. And these razors are a part of P&G Good Every Day, so don't forget to photograph your receipt. The next deal that we have is with the Suave Professionals. It has to have the word professional on the bottle. As you can see, they're $2.99 for this 12.6 ounce bottle over at Walgreens. And then we have a $2 rebate with Checkout 51. I would double, triple check if you wanted to do this deal on Sunday if the rebate is still there. It's super, super fussy, this site. Any sort of points that you would use in conjunction with this, or if you tried to use like a register reward, you might not get your rebate back. So I'd pay that $2.99 out of pocket if this is your favorite item. If you wanted to run out today to do this deal, you can even do it today if you wish, grabbing one of those bottles of shampoo for $2.99 and then make a $2 submission to Checkout 51. It makes it 99 cents per bottle. The limit for this is 5 because it is such a high rebate with Checkout 51. I think this is going to go very quickly, so it is completely your call and choice if you want to run on this deal today or if you want to wait till Sunday. I would absolutely open up the app to make sure that the rebate is still in your gallery. Okay, now the General Mills cereal are $1.99. There's going to be a $1 off 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday morning. So we're going to look at this deal a couple different ways. So grabbing 2 boxes of the General Mills cereal, that is $3.98. Subtracting the $1 off 2 digital, you're paying $2.98 out of pocket. Now, Saving Star has a $1 back when you buy 2, so it would drop it down to $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents for each. Looking at this deal a different way, there were dollar peelies found earlier in the year. If you might have 2 of those, here's another deal. Grabbing 2 of them for $3.98, subtracting $2 peelies from the manufacturer, you're left with paying $1.98 out of pocket. And then submit for that $1 back when you buy 2 from Saving Star. So it makes it 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per box. And just to give you a quick visual, this is what the Saving Star rebate looks like. So hopefully you loaded that a couple weeks back, and it's an extra $1 of savings for you. Okay, so moving it along, let's look at the Sally Hansen, buy one, get one 50% off, and 4,000 points when you buy 2. Because the word buy is in there, you can absolutely use points to earn points for this scenario. Now, something that I'm kind of curious about is the Miracle Gel that's been on clearance for $2.49. Will this in fact work? We will have to see on Sunday if this is definitively working or not. So maybe you can share in the comments if you know if it's working or not moving forward on Sunday. So grabbing 2 of them, they've been on clearance for about $2.49 in this market. That would be $3.73 for the 2. Sorry about that, guys. If you get back your $4 register reward, it would make it free plus a 26-cent money maker. Again, this will definitely have to be tested on Sunday to see if it's in fact working. Okay, now we're going to be looking at a soda deal specifically with the Pepsi. This is a buy two, get one for free. This deal pops up every once in a while. So looking at this, guys, to get the biggest savings, let's toss in this booster because it is a little bit out of pocket and there's never really coupons for Pepsi. So grabbing 3 of these, that's $12.38. Remember, it's a buy 2, get 1 for free. Subtracting that 5 off of 12 booster, you're left with paying $7.38 out of pocket for the 3, basically making it $2.46 each. If you wish to use points, absolutely go for it. And let's not forget that the Fetch Rewards app, Pepsi is part of their catalog. So photograph your receipt to Fetch and you will get back extra points for this purchase. Okay, now let's talk about the Dove. They are 2 for 12 and then 2,000 points when you buy 2. Yes, you can use points to earn points for this specific scenario. So the first deal that we're going to look at, if you might have this $2 off one, it's off of a Ladies Dove. I know there's other high value ones, but I didn't get them. I only got this one. And then you're also going to pair it with this guy from the Retail Me Not of this weekend. So it's $1 off. So looking at the math, guys, grabbing 2 of the Doves, that's $12. Subtracting the $2 digital along with the $1 from the Retail Me Not, you're left with paying 9 out of pocket, getting back your 2,000 points. The final price point here is 7 for 2 or $3.50 for each body wash. If you wish to use points to pay it down, go for it and photograph it to Fetch because Dove is part of their catalog. Looking at the deal with this, which is the 5 off of 12, you would just kind of mirror what I showed you in the last slide. So we're grabbing 2 of the Ladies Doves for exactly 12 on the nose, subtracting the $2 digital and the $1 from the Retail Me Not. Along with the 5 off of 12 booster, you're left with paying 4 out of pocket, getting back your 2,000 points. The final price point is 2 for 2 or $1 per body wash. And if you wish to use points to pay down your balance, go for it. And remember, this is part of the Fetch Rewards catalog, the Dove body wash. So photograph your receipt for some extra points with that app. Okay, so looking at the tresemme, it's 2 for 10. But there's also 2 for 8. So we're going to go for the cheaper stuff. And they have that register reward that when you buy 4, you get back a $4 register reward. So pairing it with 2 of these guys from the Retail Me Not of July the 19th, you're going to need 2 of those. And they're coming out in this weekend's newspaper. So grabbing 2 guys, that's $16 on the nose. Remember, we're grabbing the ones that are 2 for 8. Subtracting 2 4 off of 2s from the Retail Me Not of July the 19th, that's $8 right there. You're going to be left with paying 8 out of pocket, getting back a $4 registered reward. It basically makes it 4 for 4 or $1 for each. It is okay to pay with points for this one and photograph your receipt to Fetch if you're purchasing tresemme because you'll get back extra points with this one. Now tossing in a little booster, let's throw this guy in. And we're again 4 tresemmes for 16, subtracting 2 4 off of 2s from the Retail Me Not of July the 19th. That's $8 right there. Along with the booster, you're left with paying 3 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it free plus a $1 money maker. Again, if you want to use points to pay down your balance, go for it and photograph your receipt to the Fetch app so you can get extra points for the purchase of your tresemme. Okay guys, for this one specifically, you cannot use a booster with it because the booster is a lot like an IBC coupon and your $25 basket will be dipped down lower than what we're trying to do with manufacturer coupons. So I would do this one like last or later in the week after you've used all 4 boosters. So they are $5.99 for Schick disposable razors, 8,000 points when you buy 25. Now in this weekend's Smart Source, there's going to be a $4 coupon, so you're going to utilize 2 of these. There's also going to be one $4 digital on your Walgreens app on Sunday morning. Plus, at Walgreens, there's a lot of these peelies found, so you're going to need 2 of them. Looking at the math, grabbing 5 Schick disposable razors, that's a price point of $29.95. We have the one $4 digital, along with 2 $4 from the Smart Source of that weekend, subtracting $8 right there, along with 2 peelies, subtracting another $6. You have to pay cash for this one too. So it's $11.95 cash out of pocket. You're going to get back your 8,000 points. $3.95 for the 5 or 79 cents per razor. Pay cash for this one and do not use any of those $5 off or the 3 off 15 boosters because it'll really mess up the balance of your basket. Now, this is where it gets really confusing. If you might have this booster and you want to pair it with this deal, it will absolutely work. Alternatively, one of these might have came out of the Catalina machine for you, so that's an either or. So let's look at this deal again using this specific digital booster. Grabbing 5 for $29.95, we have our wonderful complement of digital and paper coupons. You're left with paying $11.95 cash out of pocket. You're getting back your $8,000 plus the $5,000 booster. It makes it free plus a $1.05 moneymaker. Pay cash for this one. Don't use any of the 5 off of 15, those sort of boosters with this. And if you are going to do the 4 boosters, do all 4 of those first and then do this one last. So hopefully that is crystal clear. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at is with the Mitchum deodorant. I know that the properties of this is really good for people that sweat a lot. So the deal for this is a really great one this week too. They're $2.99 and there's going to be a $1 digital coupon on Sunday, 3,000 points when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of these deodorants, that's $5.98. Subtracting that $1 digital coupon found on Sunday morning, you're left with paying $4.98 out of pocket, getting back your 3,000 points, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents for each. And if you wish to use points to pay down your balance for this one, you absolutely can, and you'll still earn your points. Now let's throw in one of these boosters. I know that a lot of you probably want to load up on this because it's such a great deal. And I don't think there's a manufacturer coupon for this guy in this weekend's insert, but I might be wrong. Grabbing 6 of those deodorants, $17.94, subtracting the 1 digital found on Sunday, plus a 5 off of 15 booster. You're left with paying $11.94 out of pocket, getting back 9,000 points. Remember, it's 3,000 for every 2 and you're grabbing 6. So that's $2.94 for the 6 or 49 cents per deodorant. And if you wish to use points to pay down your balance for this one, absolutely go for it. Okay, guys, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. Let's remember that this is the final week of July on the Walgreens calendar. So if you haven't partaked in this deal and you want to do it, 4 for $8 on various P&G products such as Bounce, Downy, the Tide Simply. So this is ending on Saturday the 25th. So if you haven't gotten in on this deal and you want to use one of those boosters in concert, that might be something to do, because each product, if you buy them in increments of 4, are basically like $2 each, which is like a really great price point for these products. And this dental care offer of buy 2, get the 3rd for free. As you remember, we got a lot of coupons that first week of July. So if you wanted to do one of these deals with either the toothbrush or the floss, I've been talking about it all month, this would be the week to do it, or to even see if there might be a restock, because I know a lot of your stores get cleared really quickly. And we have a lot of school supplies. This week's doorbuster is 49 cents for the Wexford brand. I think there's a pencil sharpener, some index cards, some erasers, some little folders. These are really great filler items too for any of those baskets that we're trying to do for a 15 or 12 or whatever. And the backpacks are $5 and the highlighters are $5 for $1 or 29 cents each. All fantastic filler items. And then Taco Tuesday, we have a buy one, get one free on various taco products. And the ground beef is $2.99. That is a fantastic price point. And we have the Oscar Mayer bacon, 2 for $8. If you go to any grocery store, like I think even Meijer, I almost fell over and died when I saw the price point. I think it was like almost $6.99 for a comparable thing of bacon. So I'm like, oh my gosh, like that bacon must be made out of gold. That's expensive. And then we have the drumsticks on a buy one, get one free, or the Haagen-Dazs. And then the Lay's Doritos, basically $3 a bag at 2 for $6. Also a great price point. And then the final deal is this with the Dixie plates. It's usually $3.99 for the first. The second one's free. So basically shakes them out to about $1.99 for each. So if you're having a cookout, you might want to stock up on these. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.